Hi everyone, it's Yash, and in this video we are going to be learning the fundamentals of Redux Toolkit for React. Redux Toolkit is a great way to manage state in React applications. It makes it easy to create, combine and compose reducers as well as provides a set of utilities for managing asynchronous functions. Don't get it? Yeah, me neither. But in simple terms, it allows us to use any data globally in our React application. To get started, we need to install the Redux Toolkit package from npm. Once that's done, we can create a Redux store file. We'll call it store.js. It will call the configure store function. Now that we have a store setup, let's create a slice. We are building a simple counter application, so we can call our file counterslice.js. This file calls the create slice function, which takes in the name and initial state of the Redux slice, followed by reducers. Reducers are functions that can change the value of the Redux slice. Now in our app.js file, we can import the Redux store we created earlier. To make the data of the store accessible to the component, we need to wrap it in a provider and give it the name of the store variable. We have a nested component here called counter, and in the counter.js file, we'll be accessing the data of the store. We can use the slice we just created using the use selector hook and its reducers using the use dispatch hook. Now we can access the states of the slice. To update the state, we can call a reducer function using dispatch. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Redux Toolkit in React applications. Thanks for watching.